Test one.
This is crazy.
Got it.
That's a little one.
That's a little one. That glue could have dried a little bit more on that one. That was kind of a duddy one.
Yeah.
It separated the blocks though. Hell, almost blew a hole in that goddamn wood.
Watch out, Amy.
All right, the big one.
The big one.
The big one.
Line?
Oh God. Jesus!
Oh, dude.
Look what this is the block.
Holy snaps.
Hey, those are pretty good too, right? See what it did to the cement blocks? Jesus Christ! God damn! Dude, that's bad, ain't it?
It's crazy.
Man, it broke these fuckers. Jesus Christ, man, that motherfucker was bad, wasn't it? That was awesome, that motherfucker.
Thank you for splitting the logs, dickhead.
Hey, that fucker was bad, wasn't it? And I had all these bricks were tight together. Little small square. It did that right there. Cracked this one in half.
Grandpa.
Those are bad. Those are worth $4. I'm gonna sell them for $4.